Okay, let's talk about some install tips for this 2005 F150. The 20 section, the center console here. This particular truck's had a lot of use and so forth. This showing it right here. Let's talk about this side right here. Because you'll need to do this. So this is the best thing to do. Phillips screwdriver right here. Undo that screw, and then this will just kind of snaps off. Kind of work that and it'll snap. There's a little attachment here, but this will come off, and then this will make putting this piece on so much easier. Once you get this on, you'll snap this back at the top there, and then put that Phillips screwdriver to your Phillips screw here and tighten that back in there. So that's a tip for this side right here. That's a great tip for you. The lid's going to snug on here, and with Velcro coming across here for attached from side to side. That's going to come together right there. And the bottom part's pretty straightforward there. Like I said, just with this tip on this side right there. And then let me tip this up and show how that's going to fit nicely right there. Nice snug tight fit. Okay. And the bottom this is a 20 section bottom in cryptic raid again. And there's going to be Velcro here at the back side here, and it's going to come around, and then it's going to, drawstring is going to tighten this down on the side right here. But a nice good fit on that all the way around right there. So there's your 20 section install tips on a 2005 F150. Shouldn't be too bad for you. So there you go. Okay.